Musaceae, the banana family of plants, consisting of two genera, Musa and Ensete, with about 50 species native to Africa, Asia and Australia. The common banana, Musa sapientum, is a subspecies of the plantain, Musa paradisiaca. Banana is grown in more than 150 countries. It is widely believed there are more than 1,000 types of bananas in the world, which are subdivided into 50 groups. The most common is the Cavendish, the one most frequently produced for export markets. Banana is one of the oldest fruits known to mankind. Bananas originated in the Malay in Southeast Asia. Today they are grown in tropical regions across the globe, from South and Central America to India, China and Africa. Bananas grow in hot tropical climates. Bananas are believed to have originated up to 10,000 years ago, and some scientists believe they may have been the world's first fruit. Bananas will grow and fruit under poor soil conditions, but will be less productive without deep, well-drained soil. The key elements in soil type for successful banana plant growth is good drainage. Banana grows well in a temperature range of 15 degrees centigrade to 35 degrees centigrade with relative humidity of 75 to 85%. It prefers tropical humid lowlands and is grown from the sea level to an elevation of 2000 meters. Deep, rich loamy soil with pH between 6.5 to 7.5 is most preferred for banana cultivation. Banana generally takes 4 to 6 months for fruit to reach full size after flowering, depending on temperature, variety, moisture and cultural practices. Bananas are good source of several vitamins and minerals, especially potassium, vitamin B6 and vitamin C. A diet high in potassium can lower blood pressure in people with elevated levels and benefits